Good morning, everyone. This is the Traveling Tacos. Today I am in beautiful Telluride, Colorado, going skiing at Telluride Resort for the very first time. I am in absolutely no rush this morning because I found out I got a little gypped on my ski passes because only 3 trails are open. So I am not worried about getting out there. This is kind of the same as when I skied at Arapahoe Basin the other day, so I know it's still going to be beautiful and I'm very excited to see what it's like, but I'm in no rush because only having 3 trails open, I'll probably buzz through these in a couple of hours. So it's about 7:45 right now. I figured since this is my first time in Telluride, my first time skiing here, I do things a little differently in my video today, and I'm actually going to take a getting ready video. I've never done this before. I've never shown off the ski clothes that I wear. I am already in my base layers, as you can tell. These are SmartWool leggings and a pair of SmartWool socks. I'm also in some REI base layer clothing here. I figured I'd show off what I wear. I'm also going to fly my drone. I am staying at the beautiful, wonderful Hotel Telluride. This is probably the nicest hotel I've ever stayed at in my life, and it is right outside the slopes. I can actually see the gondola and a couple of lifts running right now. So I'm gonna fly my drone a little bit, and then I'm eventually gonna head out to the mountains. I'm hoping to hit the slopes around like 10 o'clock. Like I said, I'm in absolutely no rush today. The town doesn't seem to be too poppin'. I went out last night and attended the Fire Festival activities. They take place the first week of December every year. And it was super cool, but as I could tell, the town's not ultra packed right now since not much of the terrain is open. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do to get ready to go skiing every day. First thing I'm gonna do is put on an additional layer of SmartWool socks. I have learned that my ski boots are just a touch too big, so I like to double up my socks, make sure my feet actually fit in my boots to help me stay better in my skis and have better movement on the mountains. So I'm actually wearing 2 pairs of SmartWool socks and a pair of SmartWool leggings here. It's probably not recommended by most people, but hey, I gotta do what I gotta do because ski boots are expensive and I'm not buying another pair. Next, I'm gonna put on an additional jacket. This is again from REI. I think this is a Magellan brand. This is just a nice fleece little jacket here. I kind of dig the all black look if you can't tell. Then I like to wear a little skull cap under my helmet. I always wear my hair like this when I go skiing. I like it because my helmet fits nice and snug and tight. I'm one of those weird people. I get extremely claustrophobic, so I don't like things being on my neck too much. I do keep a buff and an extra hood thing in my bag. If you watch my Arapahoe Basin video, you probably saw me wearing that where I was covering my face. I always keep that in case it's super windy, but preferably I don't like when there's too much stuff on the back of my neck. I like this because I can zip it up, zip it down, get a little air. Then, doing something a little different today. My parents got me this awesome jacket for Christmas. It's exactly what I asked for because I learned the last time I went out, my butt gets cold. So, this jacket, if you can't tell here, it's actually gonna cover my booty. We'll see how long all these layers last. It is gray and dark and it looks miserably cold outside, so hopefully all these layers are warranted. But knowing me, I'll probably end up stripping all these off at some point. All right, next, it's time for my bibs. I love these FlyLow Roxy bibs. If you watch any of my Christmas guides, you know that I recommended these bibs out the wazoo for one specific particular reason. And I'm gonna show you guys what that reason is once I get them on here. I love wearing ski bibs. Some people just wear ski pants. but when I fall, I like to not have snow get in my butt. Like I said, my butt gets pretty cold when I go skiing. So, almost strapped in here, you guys, and then I'm gonna show you my favorite part and the whole reason I bought these pretty expensive bibs. We'll say I got them on a summer discount sale a couple years ago, but this is what, I'll have to jump back up on here again. This is what they call their barn door feature. So you see how I haven't zipped it up yet? When I go to the bathroom, I can just unclip this and boop. I don't have to take the entire bibs off. This is sick. It is such a lifesaver to not have to take your entire bibs, your whole ski outfit off, especially if you're going to the bathroom in the backcountry. So all you do, clip the one little button, beep, and then zip them back up. Oh man, I love these bibs. First couple times I went skiing and didn't have these, or when I wear my onesies, which I've also got packed, it's a pain in the butt. No denying it. So, I'm gonna see how I like this jacket today. Like I said, I'm really just looking for butt coverage protection. You can tell it's a little tighter in my bibs than it normally is because of it. I don't normally wear quite this many layers, but I'm gonna test it out so that I don't get cold today, so that I don't run into any issues. Then I've got an insulated layer of base gloves that came with my Burton gloves. I'm not actually gonna put these on right now because I'm in my hotel room and I probably look like an idiot already wearing my bibs, but I always wear the tiny ones inside the big ones, keep them inside my pocket. Got my jacket too, and then I personally like to carry a backpack when I go skiing. Keeps water in there, keeps all my extra GoPro batteries, all that kind of good stuff, my phone, my keys. That way I'm not worried about if I fall breaking anything on my body or losing it, that kind of stuff. So thanks for getting ready with me. Now it's about time to hit the mountain. I'm gonna fly my drone a little bit, then we're gonna hit it.